Hey kids, how are you doing? Teacher Anna here again. So today we are going to continue talking about farm animals. So first of all, we are going to listen to a song about animals that live in the farm to remember the vocabulary, and then we are going to do an activity, okay? So check it out, the song.
Mouse Patrol. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Welcome to the farm. Come meet our friends. They all live in the barn. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. How do you do? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Do-do-do-do. 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 Cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning, Mr. Sheep. How do you do? Bah! Do-do-do-do. 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 Bah! Bah! Good morning, Mrs. Donkey. How do you do? Ee-haw! Ee-haw! Do-do-do-do. 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 Ee-haw! Ee-haw! Watch out for the tractor. I think I saw a snake. Where? Dancing by the lake. Do-do-do-do. 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 Good morning, Mr. Horse. How do you do? Do-do-do-do. 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 Neigh! Neigh! Good morning, Mr. Pig. How do you do? Oink, 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 oink. Do-do-do-do. 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 Oink, 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 oink. Good morning, Mrs. Mouse. How do you do? Squeak, 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 squeak. Do-do-do-do. 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 Squeak, 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 squeak. Watch out for the tractor. I think I saw a chicken. Where? Dancing in the kitchen. Do-do-do-do. 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 Good morning, Mr. Dog. How do you do? Do-do-do-do. 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 Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Good morning, Mrs. Duck. How do you do? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Do-do-do-do. 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 Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Good morning, Mrs. Cow. How do you do? Moo. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, moo. Watch out for the tractor. We're waving goodbye to our friends in the farm. Do-do-do-do. 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 Yeah!
So this is the song about some of the farm animals that we have. You saw in the video the chicken, the cow, the mouse, the dog, the duck. Also, we can see a horse, the pig. Those are some of the animals that live in the farm. And now we are going to do an activity. I send it to you, this one. You are going to paint. For example, you can come here, let's see, and paint the duck, yellow duck, right? Because the duck is yellow. You can paint the duck. And also you can paint, for example, the pig is kind of pink. You're gonna paint the animals. And then when you finish painting, you're gonna give it to your parents, your mother and your father to fold it for you. It has a line here. Ask them to fold on the lines, okay? So you're going to do like this. You see? And then you're going to fold again in the middle. I'm gonna do like that. You see? Now it's like this. And then you're going to fold one more, like this. When you finish folding, it's gonna be like that, okay? You fold it all in the lines. You fold over the lines here, okay? When you do it, you can see that here we have a line. It goes here from there, not all the paper, but just here from there. And you ask your parents to cut it. They're going to cut only this part, not here, just here, okay? So I'm gonna do like this. You see? Can you see it? Just this part. And then the paper is gonna be like that, with a hole in the middle. Fold this part to the front, like this. It's gonna be open like that. When it's like this, you can put it all together, like I'm doing here. And then you have a mini book of farm, okay? And you paint it, and then you have a mini book of farm. You have the pages. Here we have a farmer. Here we have a chicken. Here we have a cow, a horse, a pig, a duck, and for last, we have a sheep. And you can put your name here, and this is going to be your farm book, okay? Your farm mini book. So you can read sometimes to remember the names of the animals that live in the farm in English. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this activity. See you next time. Bye.